Today we're going to talk about 3 tactics employed by bad contractors to get their hands on your hard-earned money. Tactic 1, the high-pressure sale. If a contractor tries to pressure you into signing a contract and writing a check the same day you meet them, be cautious. Contractors using this tactic may not have the best products and want to prevent you from exploring other options. Take your time. Gather information and don't rush into a decision. Tactic 2, phony discounts. When a contractor tries to impress you by calling their supervisor and offering additional discounts, it's often just a show. This rehearsed act aims to make you feel special and rush your decision-making process. Don't fall for it. Evaluate the offer based on its actual value and whether it aligns with your needs. Tactic 3, fake trust and buddy-buddy act. Beware of contractors who excessively talk about themselves, relate to you in a superficial way, and divert the conversation from the project at hand. Genuine trust is built on open communication, transparency, and a focus on your needs. Don't let a contractor's charm overshadow your judgment. You're now aware of 3 tactics that bad contractors might use to get your money. Remember to be cautious of pressure sales tactics, phony discounts, and fake trust. By staying vigilant and asking the right questions, you can ensure a positive contractor experience.